Changing the email link to your Amazon Prime account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the Amazon website and sign into your account using your current email address and password. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once signed in, hover over the account and list menu at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to Login and Security. In the Your Account section, find and click on Login and Security. This will take you to a page where you can manage your account details. Step 4. Edit your email address. Locate the email section and click on the Edit button next to it. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, click on the Continue button. You may need to verify your new email by following the instructions sent to it. Once verified, your email address will be updated. After completing these steps, your Amazon Prime account will be linked to your new email address. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Amazon customer support for assistance.